will show you how to create a website using Notepad. It is a very simple website, it's so easy. I'll start. So first you have to put HTML body to start it. Now we'll create the headings. Headings at the top, so what your heading will be. So I'll show you. Heading 1 is your website. There is a bigger. Heading 2 is what you want it to be. I'm just showing you examples, so made by Teresa. Heading 1 will be bigger than heading 2. The writing will be bigger. If you put heading 3, it will be smaller. Heading 4 smaller. The more you count up, the more smaller the writing will get. Now at this stage, you want to save it. So you save it. So save as. You make a folder for it called website. I made one already here. And you put your one website. You will save it as txt for text. So no, you save it as all files, and you put website.html to make it as a website. You press save. You go to that folder, and you click on that website. And here, these are my headings. So this is what it's going to look like. Now we're going to choose the color of the background. So to put the color, you have to put this code. Now, if you look on the internet, you can find the codes for each of the color. I chose this color, which is light blue. So if you press Ctrl S, that will save it, and we'll go to here and double click it again. You see, that is the background. Now I'm going to create a heading that will stand out, has color all over. I'll show you. This is the background color, purple. The color of the writing will be, and then this is what you're going to write. That's what your heading will be. So I'm just showing you examples. You can write anything. You can base your website on anything. Now if we press Ctrl S again, we'll go to the website and we'll refresh it. See, it comes up here. This is what I mean. Now I'm going to create a navigation so you can have more than one page. So we'll go enter. This is what it is. This is just a heading for your heading, so you can know that there's a navigation. Paragraph. Then you choose your font, which is Arial, your color of your writing, and the size that you want. 24, and you put the writing here. Then you close it off. Now we go Ctrl S, and then we go to the website and refresh it. We see that we have a title. Now I'm going to create the 2 pages. So you enter. This is the thing you have to type in. href equals page 1. That's what it's going to be called. You can change it. And then this is going to be linked to page 1. It's going to link it, and you close it off. I put 2 links. So Ctrl S. We'll go to the website. We'll refresh it. And then here, if you press on them, it'll link you to another page. Now I'll show you how to do different types of font, like bold, italic, strong. So we'll put the title first, another title, another color title. So the same thing as here, you can copy and paste and change your font family and your color and your size, and you change it. So type of font, and you put your bold paragraph to break it up, so you can leave space. Every time you put P, you break it up. B is for bold. This is my bold, so this is the bold writing. You can write anything, and you close it off. Now for italic, you put also P, which is for break it up, and then underlined. U is for underlined, and then this is your underlined text, and you close it off. Now for italic, instead of the U, you put the I, and you press also P to break it up. And now for the last one I'm going to show you is strong. So for strong, you put down this. Don't forget to put the strong and to close it off, and this is your strong word. Now we'll see how it's going to look. You press Ctrl S, and you go to the website, and you refresh it, and here, this is your heading, types of fonts, and this is the bold, this is the underline, this is the italic, this is strong. You can write anything. I'm just showing you what things you can include in the website. Now I'll show you how to put pictures, so we'll go back to the Notepad, and then this is another heading. So the same thing as before, I'm just changing them to show you the different types. And now we'll put the pictures. This is what you put for picture. So you go to the picture on Google and you press on it and you press view original image. When it comes up, the URL will come up. So .jpeg, so it will show you the type. And then you put the thing that your title of it, and then your width and height, and you close it. Now if we go see how it's going to look like, Control S, we go to the website and you refresh it. Here's the picture. There's the title and here's the picture. I just put any random picture. You can put any picture that you want. This is a different type of picture. It's a different picture. I'm just going to show you. We'll just change the width. This is the difference between sizes. 164 and 172. So we'll Control S. We'll go to the website and we'll refresh it. You can see that it's gotten bigger. Yep. So now we'll go back to the Notepad. If you want to add more onto it so you can fill up space, you just copy it and then you paste it. That will come up again, so Control S, go to the website, refresh it, and you can see that it's up here. You can add any pictures that you want. You just have to go to Google, find your URL, and put it like how I showed you. Now I'm going to show you how to put links on your website. So it's a link by an image or a text. If you press on it, it leads you to another one, hyperlink. So we have to put this in style. I'm just putting a heading for it, so you know, and it links by images or text. So I'm going to show you the image first. So you put this, you put the I'm going to show you Google. So you put the href and you put the link that you want it to lead it to. So I'll put the Google homepage, and then here is the image. You go to Google, you get the Google logo, any image that you want that will lead you it, and you put it in like the one we did for images, and that's it. Press Control S to see how the website's going to play, and we'll refresh it. And as you can see, the title is there and the Google here. Now if we press on it, that leads us to Google. That's why it's called a hyperlink. It leads you to another document or a page. And now I'll show you the text one. So for text, P to break out a paragraph. Text is easier. So you put href, and then you put the URL that you want. I'm going to do YouTube, and then there, and then you put YouTube. So what do you want the writing to be that will lead you? So Control S, go to there, and you can see YouTube down here, and then you press on it, and it takes you to YouTube. Now I'm going to show you how to add sound. To add sound, you need to go to an MP3 downloader, download the MP3, and once you download it, put it in the folder with the same website, and call it like something easy to remember. I called it Hive so I can remember it easily, because you got to type it into Notepad. So once you download it, put it in there. Now this is what you do. First I made a title for it, different type, cursive writing, green color, 24 size. And now this is the one that you need. Embedded, height equals 50, width equals 100. You can put any, and the SRC is a source, and then you put hi.mp3 because it's as you can see, it's an MP3 file. So you put the file and you put the writing. Make sure the writing is exactly the same, because it's not, it won't show up. Now let's see what's going to happen. Control S. We'll refresh it. Can you hear that? I got the Mario on. And you can press pause on it. You can press pause on it. Okay, and now I'll show you how to put a YouTube video, which is the last thing I'm going to show you. YouTube video is very easy. All you gotta do is go to YouTube, go to YouTube viewer, and then press add, and then press share, and then you go down and it says embedded. You press on that, and then there's something, you copy it and you paste it here, like I'm going to show you now. So here is the title, like last time we did every single one, YouTube video. Then this is the thing that you got out of the YouTube. So you go to YouTube, you press share, and you press embedded, then you copy it and paste it here. This is the easiest thing to add. So you press Control S, and then you refresh it. When you refresh it, the sound's going to go. And the YouTube video is here. So I'm going to go any random one. So I'm going to press on YouTube, and I'm going to show you how to get it properly. So we'll pause that. So you go share, and then you go embedded, and then you copy and paste it, and that will show you it. So as you can see, guys, that this is the website. I just showed you the things to include. You can make any website, any theme you want. It's very easy. It's very simple. and it's very easy. So thank you for watching, and I hope you got something out of it.